it feels good to be back. And actually, it's been a long time coming because it's about 2 years ago we had our first trip to Pakistan, where we had a bunch of preconceived notions of what Pakistan might be like, and almost immediately on that trip we realized those things are not true, and this is a place worth visiting, and worth visiting again and again because so much action and so many friendly people. But unfortunately, last year when we tried to come back, our visa had some issues, and so we've only just arrived here now. This is in fact our first video, and yet we've already applied for visa re-extension because we're hoping the party does not have to end. So come along with us as we search for Iftar, which is the meal to break our fast. Now, to be clear, Ivana and I are not actually fasting, but it is Ramadan. So I think at the strike of 6:42 p.m., the sun will set, the mosque will play the prayer, and everyone in the streets will begin eating. And so we've been looking forward to this meal all day. We're quite hungry, but we don't actually have a place in mind of where we will eat. What we've learned in Pakistan is sometimes the best way to find food is to follow your eyes, because Pakistan food can be very beautiful looking, bright orange color with some fire dancing beneath it, or maybe follow your nose, because some of these restaurants, I swear you can smell them down the street and around the corner. It's like intoxicating smell. But also sometimes just to follow the crowd, because everybody will be out for Ramadan and the locals know where the good food is. So join us as we hunt for our first iftar meal as the Pakistan 2.0 series starts now. Let's go. I'm ready. So there are restaurants like this one, which are slowly filling in before sunset, but there are also these big areas where there are these mats on the ground, and lots of people who I assume are volunteers sort of preparing a bunch of plates, I guess, for the community. It's sort of a nice thing to see, but it's very curious to me because I don't know what exactly is going on there, who the food is for, who it's provided for. So let's go see if we can learn some more.
Rose water.
Rose water.
Sugar water.
Sugar water.
Sugar water. So you're gonna give food for the people?
Yes.
You're going to give food?
Yes,
for the
serving food for
rice, fruit.
Oh, okay.
Iftar.
For iftar, yes.
Sugar water, ragin water. This ragin. Yes.
Very nice of you.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Sweet drink and samosa, kajur.
Okay, and who organized? Who
Khidmat
organized?
committee.
Picture this.
Khidmat committee. F-7 Markaz.
Picture. Please.
Okay.
And I heard you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, come.
Oh, this is the food.
This might be the very first thing you eat after the fast ends, because dates and fruit common bringing the fast foods.
And adding samosa.
Fruit, dates, samosas.
Samosas, adding kajur.
Okay. Okay. Very nice.
Oh yeah. It's biryani. Or pulao.
Chana pulao.
Oh, chana pulao. Good. Looks good. Good job. Zabardast.
That is our manager.
Manager.
Yes.
Okay.
Manage this all system. Yes.
Who provides the food? It's a donation.
Many people donate us.
Good evening. Good evening.
How are you?
Good. Very good. Traveling from Canada.
Yeah, I see
Tourist.
this one. Canada.
Yes, my shirt. My Canada shirt.
How are you?
Very good. Very good. Nice to see you guys
Thank you
making
very
making a meal for the community.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
We are doing also a morning time.
Okay.
Yeah,
For
Like-
Sari.
Sahri.
Very nice.
There is our Sahri point near the flower market.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see there. But not now, because we just make the Sahri meals after Maghrib, after Iftar.
So you're cooking all night.
Yeah, all night cooking.
Wow, good for you.
We are just, I think, in our Islamabad, 1 lakh peoples deliver sahri. 1 lakh peoples.
I see.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah.
And in this point, like 10 to 15,000 peoples.
Wow.
Yeah, doing sahri. And every day there, iftar dastarkhan like 300 or 400 peoples.
Wow.
There is like apple, samosas, pakoras, and like rice,
Yeah.
chicken korma.
The food looks very good.
Yeah.
Good, good. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. I tell you what, I think Pakistani people are top of the world at eye contact, pleasant faces, smile on their face, and body language. Because honestly, I approach that guy and I don't know what's going on. His name is Amjit, and he's so welcoming. Just in his whole body language and persona, he's so friendly and sort of disarming. Because honestly, in Canada, we don't have things like that. So I'm genuinely curious, open mind, but I'm also a bit ignorant in my approach. And I'm sort of like, what's going on? And he's so friendly. And actually, he invited us to come check out where they prepare and organize all the food, because evidently the food is donations, which is sort of impressive in and of itself. And so I think after our meal at 9 p.m. we'll go check out Amjit's food preparation, where evidently there will be thousands of people grabbing food for tomorrow's sehri. First day exploring Pakistan, already making friends. Very good. Actually, I think this is the same menu that we saw 2 years ago. Similar, right, with the black? I remember we had
rice and barbecue, fish, burger, tikka boti, malai boti, fried lamb, chaat,
have chicken tikka.
chicken tikka, yeah, available.
Maybe I'll have some chicken tikka. Okay, maybe we can sit down and look at the menu. Thank you, thank you. Fantastic. So we've come to a place with a bunch of small shops, and I guess they all share the table area. And a bunch of waiters approach you, very friendly. One thing I love about Pakistani people trying to sell something, if you say no, they will immediately leave. There's no hassling. It's like, hey, do you want to buy this? No, thanks. Okay, no problem. And so very friendly people, and I think we got about half an hour. So now the place is relatively empty, as you can see. But I think even in 15 or 20 minutes, this place will be full of people and full of hungry people, I would imagine.
Yes, I think so.
So let's check out the menu and order some food. You go first, Ivana.
Chana chaat
Okay.
and chicken tikka.
Okay.
For me, chicken tikka, golgappe.
Golgappe, sweet and sour.
Sweet or sour? Sweet and sour.
Sweet. No. Sour. Sour.
One chicken tikka, one chana chaat, one sour golgappa.
2 chicken tikka.
Two chicken tikka.
2 chicken tikka, okay.
And for me, lassi.
That's sweet and sour.
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 Okay.
2 lassi.
Original lassi, like plain lassi. Yeah. Fantastic.
Sweet?
No. Plain lassi.
Plain
No
lassi.
sweet.
Plain lassi.
Plain lassi.
Not sweet.
Salt, with salt.
Salt.
Okay. With
Okay.
Salt. 2 lassi, 2 chicken tikka, 1 chana chaat, and 1 sour golgappa.
Very
Okay,
good.
good.
Thank you.
You like fries?
Fries?
French fries.
No.
No.
You want fries?
French fries.
We'll get a small.
Small fries.
Okay.
Thank you. Shukriya. I tell you what, even the experience of looking at the menu rekindled so much of my memories of Pakistan.
Right.
Remember, they love the zinger burger, the crunchy chicken burger. Remember the shami burger?
Right.
And the egg shami, almost like a roti john in Malaysia. Remember that kind of burger? As well as golgappe. Now, he gave me some options on golgappe. I forgot which ones.
Sweet and sour.
I think I like the sour one.
I don't remember. And also there are many options of the chaat, which is the chickpea salad.
Salad.
I was like, which one did I order last time?
Anyway, I'm sure what we ordered is good, so let's eat. And like I said, people are starting to fill in now.
Yeah.
We were about 5 minutes ahead of the crowd. This is a very common experience during Ramadan. The food comes and you sort of sit and wait, and in our case we sit and film. If you notice, most of the tables around us have their food already, but they're just waiting for the time. I think we're about 5 minutes away. To be clear, I don't think there's actually a law saying we must wait. We're not Muslim.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's the right move to wait. It's kind of obnoxious to come here and eat 10 minutes before in front of everybody else who's fasting.
True.
So we just sort of sit and wait as the food slowly piles up and the sun slowly goes down. Sort of anticipatory feeling.
Yes, yes. This is why Ramadan is special, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that feeling too. It gives you a feeling.
Right.
You know what I mean?
And also, when everyone's together, very community feeling.
True.
It's a feeling of eating, finally, and also everyone doing it together.
Yes.
Sort of a nice thing.
Yes. It's Maghrib time. The prayer
Yes.
is on the speaker.
People are eating. I can't actually hear the speaker. I
Yeah.
guess we're not too close to a mosque, but people are eating and drinking water. So,
Okay.
first things first, some lassi to prepare our stomach. I guess accidentally we got the extra large. Very salty. Oh, that is some salty lassi. We might have ordered extra salt by accident. Now, introducing golgappe. So if you guys remember, the first time we learned how to eat golgappe was with Honey in Lahore. So
Right.
big shout out to Honey and his whole family. Very sweet people, very dear memory to us. And I believe the technique is something like dip and rip.
Don't make a mess.
Because this is turmeric, no, tamarind water.
Tamarind,
Which is a
yes.
very sour flavor. Think of it like vinegar. And this little pouch, the minute it hits the water, will start
You
to
must-
disintegrate. So you've got about 0.1 seconds to get it in your mouth. And it's stuffed with chickpeas and beans and other good stuff.
Go ahead. You first.
My shirt is going to get ruined. Let's
Maybe
try.
put this closer.
Maybe
to
up
you.
close. Oh gosh. First golgappe in 2 years.
You didn't dunk it. You just dip it. You should be dunking it.
It's very good golgappe, but I didn't do it right.
Yeah, look at this. The inside.
Ivana, you can redeem me. You've got to try and scoop and fill it with the water. Oh, it's a little bit spicy. It's quite good. Oh, it's quite good golgappe. Very fresh. Got some herbs in there too. Quite nice, no? It's a bit of a mouthful. Once you eat one, you can't talk for about a minute and a half. But quite flavorful.
Very sour. And
Woo!
I got my favorite chana chat. This is my favorite thing. It's like chickpea salad. Yum.
You notice they didn't bring fork and knife. I think this is finger food.
I think so too.
Deal. Let's eat, man. I'm excited.
Chana
Chicken,
chat, yeah.
good, right? Nice. Chickpeas, yogurts, and fried
Yeah.
stuff.
Some vegetable, onion, cucumbers, carrots, with some wonton skin on top, and some yogurt base.
Nice.
Very good.
Now, I think I might be having a bit of selective memory. But I remember the chicken tikka being like almost as red as the table. Do you remember? I remember it being like glowing red. Potentially, last time we had some chicken tikka with food coloring. Because this one is more like a very familiar barbecue orange color.
Yeah.
Very good. Have it with yogurt.
Good.
Very good.
How is it?
I mean, impossible to dislike. Marinated and barbecue chicken with delicious mint sauce. 5-star food. Very good chicken tikka. Simple and effective.
Yeah. It looks good.
If you guys remember, one of my only complaints of Pakistan on our first trip was my stomach was consistently bad. Now, during that time, I was eating street food every day. I was really pushing it to the limit, and maybe I was asking for it. But one thing we've learned is when in doubt, yogurt. Breakfast, yogurt. Dinner, yogurt. Drink classy. Get the yogurt flowing to heal my
I also heard
weak stomach.
eat the raw onions. Yeah.
True, yogurt and raw onions. Tell you what, we've got a lot of food here, and I think we'll do a good number to it because I'm hungry and it's delicious.
Very good.
Absolutely, 5-star eating.
Very good.
Okay, go ahead. I tell you what, I think as per the recipe, the lassi is made right. So when I say it's not my favorite lassi, I take full responsibility. I ordered the wrong one. Feels like when he was adding the salt, the top of the salt container fell off and all the salt comes.
No, I think it's supposed to be salty.
Yeah, we ordered the salty one.
Yeah.
Now I know I like the sweet one. Oops. Now, normally this is where the vlog would end because we went out, we had our adventure, and we found some dinner. But in true Pakistani vlog style, we unexpectedly made a friend, and the adventure continues. So now that we're finished eating, we're going to go to the flower shop and see if we can see our friend and believe they're cooking and passing out food. Something new. Not sure what to expect. Let's go. I think we found it. See if we can find our friend and see what they're making. This is it, no Ivana? Gotta be. Hello. Cooking. For Sari tomorrow. Oh, very nice. What's inside? No, lentil. Lentils. Oh, okay. Halim? No.
No, I didn't know.
Oh. Okay, making so many. Good. Nice to meet you. Hello. I'm from Canada.
Bosa. Zoya Bosa.
Bosha. Nice to meet you. Oh yeah, very good. Reminds me of making doro.
Yeah, that's true. This is lentils.
Lentils. Oh yeah, lentil.
This is the food that they are preparing
For tomorrow morning.
Sari.
Sari.
Yeah.
What time it's ready? How many hours you cook?
Bosa, yung Seria.
Sharia.
Yung diga
I think in the same spot that we saw them eating iftar,
Yeah.
they make this for tomorrow morning.
Yes,
You cook
exactly.
all night. Zabardast.
And these are volunteers, I think.
Volunteer.
It smells good. Wow.
Sounds good, yeah. Come look, Ivana. Come look. It's lentils, maybe some carrots,
Yeah, and tomatoes.
and tomatoes maybe.
Very nice.
Slow cook in a big pot.
Wow. Really? Really? This is for us?
I think so. I don't know. Thanks, guys. This is the nature of Pakistan. You just walk up and say hello. They say, come. So nice. Curiosity pays in Pakistan. It works. This name's Zule.
Ah,
Zule.
very nice to meet you.
Steve. Zule. Thank you. Shukriya. Bahut shukriya. Good.
Thank you so much.
Okay, there you have it. Thank you.
Sama-sama ho gaya ya diga-diga ho gaya?
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Okay, yeah.
1, 2, diga-diga ho gaya?
Tiga. Okay, yeah. Good, thank you. Okay. Fantastic. So there
Thank
have it.
you.
I guess our friend we met over there is not here right now. But
Yeah.
in the end, we just walked up and said hello. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like 20 big pots for tomorrow morning.
Very nice.
And I guess they do it every day for all of Ramadan.
Yes.
Lots of work. Zabardast. Bahut shukriya. There you have it, everybody.
Thank you.
A little addition to the vlog.
Thank you.
Very nice people. This is the typical experience in
Yeah.
Pakistan. Very friendly people.
Ramadan Kareem.
Bye-bye.
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 Look at this. Bye-bye. Thank you. Wow. Look at this. Very nice. Thank you.
So nice, guys. So nice, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Many more adventures to follow.
Yes. Have a blessed Ramadan, everybody.
Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Mubarak. May these people be blessed
Yes, absolutely.
because
right.
they're so giving.
Yes.
Yes.
The spirit of Ramadan.
The
Giving
spirit of Ramadan.
and volunteering and giving for the community.
Yes, because they
Very
believe
good.
when they give, especially during Ramadan season, their blessings will be multiplied.
Coming back even more.
Yes.
It's a good thought to follow.
That's
It's a good
true.
thing to practice.
Yeah.
If I give something, I'll get it back twice.
All right.
Very good.
There you
Okay.
have
Later, everybody.